after all the talk back and forth between him and Deegan, it sounds like it's actually not going to happen now. Levi Kitchen, who apparently is sick at the moment, or as everything I can see, he's apparently pitting out of his own little like van instead of the actual rig. Apparently he's going east. apparently he's sick enough that they probably figure if you're gonna miss one round already, you're out of the championship, and it sucks. I mean, this is you gotta look at this from the side of Deegan, who everybody's leaving. Like no more Faulkner, no more or Kitchen. You know, he should definitely have this title under wraps for sure now. Not that he didn't already or shouldn't have already, but if Kitchen leaves and goes east, it's just it's pretty sad to see. I mean, like that went from the sort of weak coast or weak side to be racing on now with Hampshire going over there, Kitchen going over there, Faulkner, was it Cochrane too. It's going to be a pretty packed crowd on the east, and it's just kind of funny that where did this come from? I mean, obviously sicknesses happen. That's just something you can't really control, but it just sucks that the West Coast now, which with all the hype of everybody coming and doing this and the Deegan show, and now it's nah, we're all just gonna leave, and whether you like it or not, you said something about it. Deegan made the little um the joke about like rumors he's going east, and yeah, whatever. But uh, as I'm reading this, Steve Mathis, no Kitchen, he's really sick. I think he will be sent east, which makes sense. I mean, if he hasn't ridden one race, you can't be locked into it. And if you're going to be already down, 20, 25 points, there's no real point. Go east, try and win that title and move on. But it just sucks the West went from like the super fun coast with everybody on it to, some people got injured, moving around, moving around, moving around. And now it's the nobody coast. I mean, who do you got? You got Deegan, Shimoda, um, Smith, Styles. Uh, it's not exactly a very packed crowd at the moment. And if you're Deegan though, this is the time. Like, doesn't matter who you're racing, you still gotta go out and show that, like, yeah, I'm still the number one guy here. Yeah. So no, yeah. As I'm reading this, the power rankings that they put out today had Deegan, Kitchen, Shimoda, Beaumare, Smith, Markbanks, Robertson, and Mosman, because they have some screw ups where they have Hampshire and Cochrane still in there. But so now it's Deegan, Shimoda, Beaumare, Smith, Marchbanks, Cochrane, and Robertson. I mean, if you're Shimoda, if you finish anything second this season, behind anything but second, it's gonna look really bad for you. And I mean, again, Deegan, this should be a very easy title. And for him, whatever, win the title, be happy about it, move on to next year, defend it, and then go up to the 450s. But sucks to hear about Kitchen. Well, we'll see if it's actually true or not. But comment down below. Tell me what you think. Are you watching A1? Are you excited for the West now? Are you getting less and less as more people move? Whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe. Do all the fun things this platform allows you to do because it really just helped me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.